अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये रेडियो पाकिस्तान है। आज जुम्मतुल मुबारक है। रमज़ानुल मुबारक की 27वीं तारीख है। इस वक्त सुबह के 8:30 हैं। अब से कुछ लम्हों बाद आप समाअत फरमाएंगे क़ायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना का कौम के नाम पैगाम।
Our object should be peace within and peace without. We want to live peacefully and maintain cordial, friendly relations with our immediate neighbors and with the world at large. We have no aggressive design against anybody. We stand by the United Nations Charter and will gladly make our full contribution to peace and prosperity of the world. This day marks the end of a pregnant phase in our national history, and it should also be the beginning of a new and a noble era. Let us impress the minorities by our words, deed and thought that as long as they fulfill their duties and obligations as loyal citizens of Pakistan, they have nothing to fear.